Hi everyone, Scott from AV.technology here, and today I'm going to be talking you through RTI, a wonderful control brand, relatively new here to the Amber stable and one that you definitely need on your radar. RTI have been around now. They've just celebrated their 30th anniversary this year at ISE, which speaks to the longevity of a company in what is a relatively young industry. Home and commercial automation and control has evolved rapidly over the years, and the fact that they've been able to play well in both spaces speaks to the way that those two industries are merging together. One of the things that they've had to fight against for a while, particularly in the commercial space, is this idea that they are a home automation company. And to be honest, it's just not true. There are things that applications and approaches that they've been able to take from that home automation space and apply in the commercial world. But likewise, commercial automation and control has informed the way that they've designed their home and residential products as well. Their product range is quite diverse. They have a range of control processes, but they've also added to their portfolio with a number of key products that have boosted their offering within that control processor platform. I don't want to try to get too involved within the product range today. What I really want to focus on is who RTI are and why you should be looking at them for your next project. So, why would you choose them for a commercial project? The big thing that comes to mind for me in commercial automation and control is the software that you need to use to design and implement your project. ID11, Integration Designer, has been out for a couple of months now, and it is an incredibly robust and powerful tool. Some commercial automation products require you to do days and days and days of training to be able to deliver even the smallest of projects because they're so complicated. However, a lot of other products have so much driver implementation and handrails that they might be very easy and quick to deliver a small project, but they don't give you the flexibility and power that you need to be able to deliver the project that ultimately will be best for your customers. I personally think that ID11 threads the needle between those two, giving you the power that you need with the flexibility and the quick speed of using drivers and some of the automation within the software that exists within ID11 to make your job easier. As I said, ID11 is definitely really, really powerful, but what's great is there is no coding required within the software. So again, you don't need to be a multiple degree holder to be able to deliver a project using ID11. You can also bring in your own graphics packages and add your own signature design to your systems that makes it unique and a wonderful offering to your customers. There's a number of drivers already available for RTI from the Amber stable, brands like LEA, Blue Sound Professional, Zilliqa, Wirestorm, just to mention a few. They are making it so much easier to integrate not only our products, but whatever products you like to use into your designs using RTI. So, what is it about RTI that we've also found with the many years of experience that we've had internally with them? Well, firstly, they integrate super well into your projects. They reduce the anxiety of will RTI work with a particular product, because we can assist you with making sure and assuring you that it will. And we can do in-house testing to be even able to provide that if required. There's also a single point of support. So we do have internal teams within AV.technology dedicated to supporting RTI. Likewise, RTI have local staff in Australia who then also provide support to us. So it is a well-supported product to make sure that you get the most out of the products that you use. Stock is readily available, and this is a key part of the control landscape these days. We've been able to maintain excellent stock throughout the entire COVID period, including a rough 4 to 6 week turnaround on even the customized products directly from RTI. We land a container into the country every month, so as long as you make that first cutoff, you're only ever 4 weeks away, but we do keep a healthy amount of stock on the shelves as well. The other part of RTI, which is important to recognise, is that they don't have any hard sell tactics involved in the way that they sell their product. There are no tiers or partner program type systems. We have a dealer price that you buy and a retail price available to you. Once you're authorised to buy the product, you are able to buy whatever you need to deliver your project, and we'll do our best to support you along the way. So let's quickly touch on one product just so you get an understanding of RTI's design ethic. This is the KX4. This is an in-wall 4-inch control panel that contains one of their XP processors. So it has a number of communication methods to get out to the products that you're going to be able to control. However, it can also be a master controller within a system in and of itself. It's a hugely powerful tool. It looks fantastic on the wall. In fact, we're currently in our new office in Melbourne. We have one on the wall controlling a number of products around the room, and it's a really sensational way to show the power of RTI within a very small footprint. If you would like to see it and you're based in Melbourne, you're absolutely welcome to come and visit us here so that you can see it for yourself. One of the team members who was involved in programming it will probably be actually able to show you, as well as a number of other wonderful Amber products that we have around the space. Another unique thing that RTI have done here is that they utilize 2.4 gigahertz Zigbee commands. So this allows integration of what are a more traditional handheld IR remote within a more advanced system. I've found personally, I like to think of this as the CEO test. What can I hand to the CEO of a large company and not have to show them how to use? Home remotes is one of those things that they intuitively know how to use because they use them at home. Being able to integrate that even into a commercial system is actually really viable and often overlooked. And that speaks a lot to who RTI are. They've been able to really blend this idea of home automation and commercial automation together with the reliance that we need in commercial, but the usability that we need out of residential. If you're interested in RTI at all, we would love to have a chat with you and continue this conversation. Please contact us at Amber or contact your local rep, however you've been used to dealing with us, or if you're new to us, please call us and we'd love to have a chat with you. Thanks for your time, and I'll see you next time.